So basically Canva have a lot of amazing updates to its own software to make your life much easier. And yes, it's still free, but not all of you have access to the new Canva AI if you still see the old dashboard. But in this video, I will show you a little trick that you can do right now to get an early access to the old feature of the Canva AI instead of waiting for this to be published. So without waiting a lot, so let's jump right into the computer and let's do it. Okay, when you go into Canva, the new dashboard is gonna look just like this. Now, for those of you that don't have the new update with the Canva AI that you basically can do everything from image generation to coding, let me show you one trick that you can do it right now. So this is the old Canva. As you can see, the banner, this is the banner, the old version of the Canva, so you don't have the Canva AI. But to get it, you need to do one thing. Just go and click on the envelope. And from here, let's go. It's gonna show you all the new updates. And it took you to the new dashboard. Congratulations, guys. Now you have Canva AI on your Canva account. Enjoy.